मैंने पूरा शो कंप्लीट कर दिया, वेब शो। मैं आज तक डायरेक्टर को नहीं मिला हूँ। वी डोंट वांट पीपल टू गेट मोर डिप्रेस्ड बिकॉज वैसे कोविड की रोज बातें होती है। बट आई फील वेरी प्रिविलेज दैट इट्स बीन 25 years आई बीन अराउंड एज एन एक्टर। बीच में 4 या 5 साल मेरे पास बिल्कुल काम नहीं था। आई गॉट इनटू प्रोडक्शन। आई डिडंट हैव अ सिंगल फिल्म एज एन एक्टर। I was still the same child. I was still the same nepotism child. It's good because industry has given our whole family so much, and whatever we are is this industry has given us.
कैसे हो सर आप?
Bus first class, fantastic. Nice to be in your Instagram show coming live. It's really, really nice to be here.
It is as unique as your web show.
Yes, absolutely. A lot of unique things are happening, and our web show is definitely unique. We shot down and shot in lockdown, so it's something really unique. My experience has been really fantastic.
Yes, so it's amazing to see. I saw the trailer. ये कॉन्सेप्ट इतना यूनिक लगा मुझे. किस तरह शूटिंग हुई, किस तरह से ये how did it start? Tell us that.
Well, it started when I got a call where they spoke about the show. I heard the line. Then जो इस शो के डायरेक्टर है मेरी, उनके साथ इंटरेक्शन हुई. एंड निखिल से बात करके, द डायरेक्टर निखिल भट्ट, I just wanted to be part of the show. I found it very passionate, very intelligent, and I knew that he'll do a great job. And then we got into it, and yeah, and it's been a unique and a fantastic experience of shooting at home. There are 8 to 9 actors in this show. I have not met any of the actors till now. मैंने पूरा शो कंप्लीट कर दिया, वेब शो. मैं आज तक डायरेक्टर को नहीं मिला हूँ. मैं आज तक प्रोड्यूसर से नहीं मिला हूँ. मैं सिर्फ सबको जूम में मिला हूँ. So it's a very, very unique thing. In fact, besides Indranil, I have not met any of the actors besides during the show, otherwise also in life. So it's a extremely unique thing which we've done, and I think so we've done something really special because जो मैंने देखा है, आज हमने प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस के बाद पहला एपिसोड देखा, and I was really, really happy seeing how this show has turned out, whether the edit was concerned or the music. देख के लगता नहीं है कि हमने अपने अपने घरों में खुद बैठ के खुद शूट किया है ये. So पता नहीं, maybe next time you will see me directing something और कैमरा में. अब तो मुझे लगता है कि हमने सब कुछ कर लिया. मेकअप भी किया थोड़ा बहुत मैंने खुद ही शो के वक्त जब भी रिक्वायर्ड था.
तो ये आपके लिए सबसे ज्यादा चैलेंजिंग चीज क्या रही इसमें? इतने ज्यादा roles निभाए हैं, be of a makeup man, cameraman, actor of course, and the rest of the things. You have to see the lighting and everything.
Well, everything, the whole concept, it was a very challenging, and that's what made it so interesting. That at the end of the time when जब director बोलता था ये lighting या cameraman used to be there also in Zoom call कि ये light ऐसे करो, camera ये angle में रखो, rehearsal होती थी, ये furniture ऐसे shift कर लो. मैं फाइनली बोलता था और बोलते जब हो जाता बोलता अभी शॉट लेते हैं. मैं बोला भाई मैं एक्टर हूँ, मुझे 5 मिनट तो दो एज एन एक्टर टू गेट इनटू दैट शॉट, टू प्रिपेयर माई सेल्फ, टू रीड द लाइन, because that became the last thing. But what helped us, what we did, जैसे होता है, we did full workshop for this before we started shooting. We did the full reading of all the episodes on Zoom. Every actor was there. So we did a lot of rehearsals before we actually, like the director, that's what I loved about Nikhil. With every actor, before we actually started shooting, he spent at least 2 days with every scene before we actually started. So जब हम shoot कर रहे थे, हमने already वो rehearse कर लिया था. So that the acting part became much easier. Otherwise, I would have been too distracted because I was doing so many other things. Because when you shoot on set or when you shoot normally, when you're not shooting in pandemic, everybody's taking care of their own job. And you are only concerned about yourself at that time. But इसमें ऐसा नहीं था, you were doing, आप सब कुछ कर रहे थे. Plus सामने कोई actor भी नहीं था. क्योंकि सामने या तो ब्लू स्क्रीन होती थी, या अगर आप सेल्फी शॉट देख रहे हो तो आप अपने आप को देख रहे हो, और दूसरे आईपैड पे डायरेक्टर की आवाज आ रही है. डायरेक्टर मेरी बीवी का भी क्यों दे रहा है, डायरेक्टर मेरी बेटी का भी क्यों दे रहा है, डायरेक्टर मेरी बहू का भी क्यों दे रहा है, या दूसरे एक्टर्स को क्यों दे रहा है. सो यू हैड टू नो कि ये, तो यू हैड टू रिमेंबर देयर लाइंस आल्सो, बिकॉज यू हैड टू रिमेंबर दिस योर वाइफ इज टॉकिंग और दिस योर डॉटर इज टॉकिंग. because
Correct.
because in real life I would have seen the wife or the daughter. Here I'm only hearing one voice. So you had to be, used to the whole script. You had to read the whole script of just not your lines, the other lines also. It had to be in your head so that when you're hearing the cue, you know who's talking.
Yes. And इस टाइम पे सर जहाँ पर इतनी सारी नेगेटिविटी, there's so much negativity around, to entertain audience, which with a topic like COVID-19, it's really amazing. और
Yes, and
आपको
COVID-19, the topic is we don't want people to get more depressed because वैसे COVID की रोज बातें होती है. But after a while, that becomes just the base of the thing. Because कहानी कुछ और चल रही है. कहानी कुछ और चल रही है. तो it is not कि आप कोविड की बात होती है, but it is just the base. आपको बिगनिंग में लगेगा, बाद में आपको लगेगा भी नहीं कि कोविड के बारे में हो रहा है. But it is short like that क्योंकि हम अलग अलग घर में हैं, हम बाहर नहीं जा सकते. तो how we are stuck in different places. Like all the characters are in different houses in different cities. And how अभी मैं हर चीज तो बोल नहीं सकता हूँ, देख के आपको कल पता चलेगा.
Yes, of course. Okay. Many congratulations for Raja. Let me tell you, I really wish I could, kind
Raja,
of.
oh, okay.
It is my personal favorite.
Thank you so much.
film.
Thank you. But in June, it was 25 years of Raja. Recently, 3 of my films, in 95, I had 3 releases. And so it's been 25 years for Prem, Raja, and Kartavya. So I feel very privileged that it's been 25 years. I've been around as an actor. So it makes me feel really nice. I'm doing something right, and I'm really grateful to God first and to the audience that they have patiently let me do something which I love doing. So just want to thank everybody.
Yes, of course. And you've done everything. I mean, you've done all the medium. Like I even said in my introduction, you are not just a Bollywood star, but you've done TV, web series, and so and done amazing.
And I produced films as well. So yeah, so it's good because industry has given our whole family so much, and whatever we are is this industry has given us. Whatever we are. My father came here, during the partition way back in 1947, and he got into movies at that time. He produced films, and it was all his goodwill that we were living in Chembur, and in a very small house. We worked very, very hard because our passion was to achieve something. It was obviously everybody needs money to survive, but it was passion to do well. It was passion to achieve something, and it's just not. कभी-कभी बहुत लोग पूछते हैं कि कैसे लगता है आपको, you had so many hurdles and everything. So I find it strange, why a person would ask that, because जो आदमी 25 साल एक इंडस्ट्री में सर्वाइव करता है, तो वो hurdles तो होंगे ही, but the credit should be given कि in spite of all the hurdles, he's still around, he's still doing work, and people really still want to watch him. So he's doing something right, I guess. So that's the reason I've never thought कि मैं कोई टेलीविजन कर रहा हूँ तो वो अलग होता है या फिल्में अलग हैं या डिजिटल अलग है. When you are in front of the camera, you are an actor. So it doesn't matter whether it is a web show, television, or a movie.
Yes, of course. And so, because since this pandemic, a lot of, on social media, a lot of people are talking about nepotism. What is your take? Because, of course, I see a lot of hard work, though you come from a family, that has a background. But still, I see a lot of hard work. And also, what is your take on the whole nepotism?
See, that's a long topic, and I wouldn't want to get into that. But somebody has to start off. Everybody starts off somewhere. When my father came in, he started off, and we were the children. We were brought in this atmosphere and everything. He was a producer. He was not an actor. He was a producer. And when we were growing up, Anil and me wanted to become an actor. So I don't know what to say. yes, we were privileged enough that we knew people, but I always say कि nepotism की आप बात करते हो, उसमें कुछ कुछ सच भी है कि you do know people, people do, you get a platform of, like, suppose if a new person wants to meet an XYZ person, it will be very difficult for him, and it wasn't difficult for me. But the thing is, nobody is going to cast you. They will meet you, but nobody is going to spend money to cast you. बीच में 4 या 5 साल मेरे पास बिल्कुल काम नहीं था. I got into production. I didn't have a single film as an actor. I was still the same child. I was still the same nepotism child. I was still Anil Kapoor's brother. I was still Surinder Kapoor's son. I was still Boni Kapoor's brother. But nobody touched me. Nobody casted me. Finally, an outsider came. Dibakar Banerjee came and casted me in Love Stories. So finally, so for me, it is very strange. I hear about it, and like I said, yes, it is true to a thing, but finally, it is your work. There are so many people, without taking names, who started off, who are so well connected, but they lasted for 2 years, they lasted for 3 films. To last for 25 years, you need to have something about yourself. That's all I can say.
Yes. अभी जो भी फैंस देख रहे हैं, अगर उनको कहना है कि क्या है इन few lines Gone Game, what is it? तो आप किस
Well,
तरह
it's a story, it's a thriller basically, और ये कहानी है, हमने कोविड कोरोना को एक उसको बेस बनाकर एक थ्रिलर बनाया उस पे, कि जो मेरा बेटा है, आपको पता चलता है कि उसकी डेथ हो गई कोरोना की वजह से, बट पता बाद में ये पता चलता है कि ये यू आर नॉट श्योर कि वाकई ये कोरोना की वजह से हुआ है, या ये एक मर्डर हुआ है, या वो किडनैप हुआ है. तो दैट इज द मोस्ट इंटरेस्टिंग. It's in the corona COVID-19 times, but there is a thriller angle to it, which is very interesting.